Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcakes for your dog. First, let's talk ingredients. You'll need dog-friendly items like whole wheat flour, unsweetened peanut butter, and an egg. It's crucial to avoid anything toxic, such as chocolate, xylitol, or grapes. Always double-check that all components are natural and free from added sugars or artificial sweeteners for your furry friend's safety. Now let's get baking. Start by mixing your wet ingredients like peanut butter and egg in one bowl. In another, combine the dry ingredients such as flour. Then, gradually add the dry mixture to the wet until just combined. Spoon the batter into cupcake liners, filling each about 2/3 full. Bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 18 to 22 minutes until golden brown. Once your cupcakes are cooled, it's time for frosting. A simple and safe option is plain Greek yogurt or mashed banana. You can also add a swirl of unsweetened pumpkin puree. For decoration, consider small, broken dog treats, a few blueberries, or a sprinkle of parsley. Always ensure any toppings are safe and easily digestible for your canine companion. Before serving, make sure the cupcakes are completely cool to prevent any burns. Remember, these are treats, so offer them in moderation, perhaps one cupcake as an occasional reward, not a daily meal. For storage, place any leftover cupcakes in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They should stay fresh for up to 3 days, ready for another happy snack time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.